Okay, so we're going to be replacing the drive coupler on this Whirlpool direct drive washer here. The center of the old coupler was just rounded out. You got your new coupler here. You've got the aluminum insert in there. So we're going to go ahead and put the one end on the motor shaft here. I just use a socket and hammer it in from the backside here. That way, once you hit the motor shaft, you know you're flush. Just a pair of channel locks just to tap it in. And just, again, want it just flush with the motor shaft. Now we'll go underneath and put the other side on the transmission and hammer it on the same way. And that's flush. And we'll go ahead, just kind of get everything set up here. So that drops in. Kind of get your motor positioned. Make sure all your grommets are in place. And just sort of drop it right down. Couple them together. You can kind of, when you're doing that, manipulate the other end of the motor shaft to sort of turn the coupler to get it to lock into place. You've got your brackets here that are going to come around on the back side, twist around and clip in. So when you're putting them in, going in like this, turning it like so, and then just clipping onto the motor. Sometimes there's going to be a 5/16 or a 1/4 inch screw on the motor where these brackets are held into place, but this one doesn't have those. Just go ahead, put your pump back on. To do that, you can reach down and kind of rotate the drive coupler to spin the motor shaft to get the keyed portion of the pump to line up. And once that's done, these clips go the same way. They just twist and lock and clip down. And then we'll hook up our capacitor. And hook our Molex for the motor in. And that's going to complete your repair.